We are looking at the week of March 1st through March 5th in math. And if you take a look at this essential question this week, we are going to focus again on problems involving area and perimeter, including finding those missing side lengths. When we look at Monday's folder, we are going to take some time to talk about the missing side length when you're given the total perimeter. So typically fourth graders need more than just one day on this. So this is going to be our second day. We started this on Friday of last week, and now we're going to practice just a little bit more just on perimeter. So you have a teacher video. I'm going to walk you through 4 word problems. I would recommend expanding this so that it's full screen so that you can follow along. Then you have an independent practice worksheet. It's located right here. Sorry for the printing, but you can see right here, our book does not have enough practice with this skill. After that, you do have one exit ticket question. We will meet at 2 o'clock to go over those problems. On Tuesday, we are going to go back and revisit something that, again, we actually practiced on Thursday and Friday, and that's finding the area of a combined figure. Combined meaning there's one rectangle here and one here. Looks like there's been 2 rectangles put together to make this figure. So again, you're going to watch this teacher video. I would make it full screen so you can follow along. And like before, you do have an independent practice worksheet right here, an exit ticket, and we will meet at 2 o'clock. On Wednesday, you are going to complete the Topic 13 review. That is on pages 513 and 514. You're going to do all 13 problems and plan to please be there at 2 o'clock so that we can prepare for your Topic 13 test, which will take place on Thursday. So if we take a look at Thursday, you can see again you're logging into Savas. Please have that separate sheet of notebook paper. We are not math wizards. Please take the hat off and show your work. And finally, on Friday, we have kind of a fun activity, and this is creating an area and perimeter robot. Now, when you look through this, it looks like a lot. Again, that's just kind of like a title page, but you may complete this activity if you have done your Topic 13 test. If you have not done that yet, please do not take your time working on this. This picture right here is just to kind of give you an idea of what they look like when they're finished. So these are like 5 student examples of their completed robots. So you can see they're made out of graph paper. You can be creative. You can create like a face and clothes and, make it kind of your own. And then you have like this part up here where it's kind of like a name card. So as we scroll through, I'm going to show you some of these different pieces. Here are the student directions. You're going to read through that. It's just telling you that you fast forwarded now to the future, year 2030, and you've been hired to design a robot that's going to do chores for kids. The arms, legs, body, and head must be the area or perimeter stated on your card. You are going to add details such as the eyes and the mouth, and you get to be creative. There is no one right way. So you are going to need to choose one robot to complete. This is the card, right? It says right here that stated on your card. I'm letting you guys choose. So you're going to go down here, and this is the first place where you want to begin. Choose which robot. So open and choose which one you want to make. I'm going to go ahead and open this. No, I won't because it won't show up. Sorry, just kidding. But you're going to click here, and there's going to be all these different cards, right? You get to choose which robot you want to make. Then you are going to either find graph paper that maybe you already have at home or print a sheet of graph paper here. And the last thing that you'll want to do is print your robot's name card. There's actually 2 on this page. I'm not quite sure why. But you'll just print that and use one of those. So you can create your robot, have fun with this. We will talk more about this in our meeting that day, but if you have any questions, guys, please let me know.